Today at ModBargains we have a 2013 BMW F10 M5 and we're installing an amazing RPI exhaust system on its underbelly. This system saves 10 to 12 pounds over the factory exhaust depending on your resonator option.
This RPI exhaust features 77mm stainless steel tubing throughout and comes with RPI's limited lifetime warranty. RPI's dyno sheet shows anywhere from 20 to 30 horsepower gains and a few extra foot-pounds of torque. This exhaust on the F10 M5 does not require a new diffuser. However, this customer chose to go with a carbon fiber diffuser to add a little better look. The combination of the carbon fiber diffuser and chrome tips really adds a new aggressive look to the back of this M5. We compared it to the stock system, so check it out and let us know what you think. I think we all can agree that this RPI exhaust upgrade did wonders for the tone and appearance of this M5. Sounds like a beast, it looks like a beast, and these Forgestar F14s it's sitting on make it a beast. 20 by 9.5 in the front and super deep concave 20 by 11s in the rear fit perfectly on this F10 M5. The gunmetal finish on these wheels gives a nice accent to the black car and even matches the carbon fiber pieces we added.
If you have any questions about this RPI exhaust or any other questions in general, please feel free to give one of our mod experts a call and we'll be more than happy to help you out. Don't forget to check out our other videos and subscribe to our social media networks. Thanks for watching and we'll see you next time.